Here we are on location at Dick's Sporting Goods. Today I'm featuring the GT Aggressor Pro trail bike. The price that Dick's is offering it for is $479.99. Comes in a beautiful blue, glossy blue color. Let me go over the components. It's an Aggressor derailleur, which is a pretty decent Shimano derailleur. It's an upgrade from the Shimano Tourney that they usually put on big box stores like you would find in Walmart. But these bikes that Dick's Sporting Goods is offering is much higher quality. And with these bikes, they're definitely worth it in my opinion to upgrade. Especially with the front fork here. It has a disc brake, and here is the adjustment for the suspension, but it doesn't offer a lockout. So these are the cheaper Suntour XCT forks, which I would definitely upgrade, and I'm sure these are heavy, so that would lighten up the weight if you upgraded to a better quality fork, you know, like a RockShox or a high quality RST fork. Next, you have the handlebars here. These are steel, so it's not aluminum. So that would be the second upgrade I would make. And going over the gears, it's a 3x chain ring, and it's 8 cogs in the back, so it's a total of 24 speeds. And I just love this triple triangle design frame. It's very unique. The saddle, it's GT branded saddle. It kind of feels slightly plush, but on a hard side. So I probably would upgrade to maybe like a gel seat, so you're more comfortable when you're going for long distances. As far as the stem, well, for this bike, it looks like a large frame. Looking at the geometry, you probably would want to maybe shorten the stem length, maybe to like 70 millimeters, or maybe even like a 30 millimeter stem. That way you have more precision steering. Excuse me. Let's just take another look at the Aggressor Pro here. I believe this is 27. Yeah, it's a 27.5 tire. The rims are double wall, and yeah, it's a very nice bike for the value. It's definitely worth the upgrade. I believe this is the 2019 Aggressor Pro. Please leave a comment if I'm wrong. It could be the 2020, but I'm gonna just say it's the 2019. But I think the 2019 was offered in a different color. This glossy could be the 220 version, but there really isn't much difference in the, I don't think they changed the components. They basically kept it the same from year to year. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. It's an excellent bike that Dick's offers. Have a great day.